it's me, Theodore. And today, we're at this awesome water park. We're starting off slow in a lazy river, but trust me, things are about to get crazy.
Okay, is it time for the mega slide?
Before we get the slides, I stopped by the sides chart.
So you can go on the one with Mom, you can go on the middle green one, but you cannot go on the yellow one.
Not bad, but next year, I'm coming for the last one. Lesson of the day, sometimes you gotta wait to reach the biggest goals, but the fun never stops. Meanwhile, Mom is watching us, looking pretty unsure about it all. Do you think she'll do it? Comment down below and take your guess.
Okay, Theo goes first. By yourself. This side is forward. Okay. Okay. Ready? Lean back, Theo. Lean back. Yep. Bye-bye.
And then, surprise! Mom decides to do it with me. She looks pretty nervous, gripping the handles like her life depends on it. But guess what? She actually loves it. Day. Lazy river, flips, water slides, Mom's biggest moment, and of course, roasting Dad.
Remember when you were making the grill, like on something on the grill, like a sausage, and then you were cooking it, and then you left it for so long, and it was ready, and then this happened. It went on fire.
How did I put the fire out?
With a towel and water.
Did we eat the food after that?
No.
What was your favorite part of this adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun on the wild path.